Ono wacha ko kumeri kicha moloni chawa many po tien nendwe abor mi duma bongwen mo kale bachel kimi bongwen piara bachel we a beach ne en madul madit makiloni UN UNESCO go chako go kero ne en tien bed ne no me kwero lu kwan no mo kwano u po ni dai wama pol wan weng waro ye ni dai wa grandparents wa pego kwano pole grandmothers kwano pepia ta ko to toile ikum girl child olo chono olo go kwano. So over the years the UN has been promoting ni kwano pin attack for all. So tini berni na makitika kwerne pe jomo kwano.
So basically kirmano mon yange kwano kere ki ponyo gi ki gang. And ponyo gi ki gang ema ki chaho with the basic mono even after dano mapol mon makong doguno exposure maguwa ino jone one dong enough is enough. So kina magi chako fonyo gi anani kong ki fonyo kong. If I remember the story of Napoleon Bonaparte, during Napoleon's time at the Mano Antigone French, what was most important in ka ki fonyo lock metodo. Subjects machalo science enani nyo biology ngo gine ki fonyo part gi. Ni gina mier gungu bedi wen gina mier gu bedi doctor ko ngo gi. But we are happy that finally the movement worldwide no, education has to be universal. When you are teaching both men and women, gukwano. But if you remember what we talked about elementary education, do you people remember elementary education? Pat, do you remember that? Ma elementary education, any Kwan gang.
Yes.
Was I think for me that marked the essence of education worldwide. Martin was talking about literacy. Ni literacy tea, ni dano kwano. But literacy also, Emma, for me, I do not want to think that literacy is all about formal education. You can be literate and to know that in some extent you're illiterate to me.
You learn every single day.
Yeah. So for me, I think literacy is more than just or Kwan.
Sarah, mighty loko Kwero Kwan yongo we brikaponi. Ilome Africa karmo no ke watching in Nigeria. I don't low madong dano Kwana ye madong lawyer. The least person has 2 degrees. We post research anone.
Yes. That's why you see Nigeria ka where get lemon. Movies give mapol give acting lemon. Dan went take a look lemon. In fact, I'm even worried for that local language. Local leb Ibu Guinea, Yoruba Guinea went with the time Oburwenyo. Yeah.
Now, Kwan Perach. Ento benebirni pe Kwan Benerach. Jimario Matime. Combeti one take a joma pego Kwan Magetiki Chane. Gena go tinho dano way la yuatgi. Me a chill. PM giti ki chiane pigi niang gitamani joma niangi weng nong miro bedi level ma megi ene mene pi be tie jomo kene mago kwano magitamani gen ge kwano pigi war jomo kene PM gen gi ngeni ge kwano la chien kwan gini pi lomo loko kwa ma megi so kita don wajo kwene is a two-way traffic ni iron beti kwano ento pi niang onyo bedi ron beti niang ento pi riek. Those are the problems with education and literacy. And to gina pira tek. Nyech meti kwede miru konyi mikwa.
Ami open Emma kipat mafudi pepe nyowa. Would you rather have lacho ma tikichiante businessman matapo manopo kwano keje nyo you'd rather have lacho ma mo kwano ento peka kichiante? I start with you, Emma.
That's a very difficult one. No, okay. I will describe it this way. Kwan ma wati watching it in me chere gang kwan ma chere rio ngi kono abasango. But there's bedemano itiki kwan annually. No riek annually. Mano kadi pe kwano riek. In any way. So maybe I'll choose ngat ma riek or naturally. I don't know tiki. Yes. Grandmother nano riek da kona po kwano. She used to know me 1, 2, 3. She had logic. She had common sense.
No, I don't. But what would you choose if you were a woman? Can they be daro?
No, I mira wachi chala an la cho.
Mira why can they daro?
I would have no choice. Entro chalo kumbe mati la cho anyway. I watching it doesn't matter. Kona kilo daro mapo kwano. Teka na ne riak.
As for men it is okay, but for us women.
No, that one is a bit tricky because as a woman, sometimes it depends on the choices. Ki o ka lokole mono ko.
But Sarah,
ichera ka lokole mono pa idi keso ki.
Meneni, magi loko ni.
But there is Kwan ento no ngar mo ni pe kiriya kanyuali. Inero we ngar mo no Kwan school blah 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 ento riya kanyuali no pere. Ti ngar mo ma po Kwano ento tikiriya mo na nyuali. That's why inero jomo kane mapego Kwano, but they're successful businessmen.
But you know you can be bright at the same time no pay Kwano and you cannot reach miles well at mo Kwano. Oh yeah.
Nino Kwan Literacy Day, UN ayo kelu neno eno watika temo me tamwa kanyo wani kitsara ka pat kono wachero manen wiye ne madom